Is your weekly schedule so boring? How about turning it into a masterpiece? Welcome back to our channel, Creative Kids with Technology. Today we are going to transfer our boring weekly timetable into a masterpiece. Open canva.com. Click on Create. I want to print my schedule on an A4 size paper, so I will write here A4. Choose Document, A4 Landscape. From Design, search for Student Weekly Schedule. Here you will find some templates. But today we are going to design it from scratch. From elements we will search for rectangle. Add this shape. Adjust the size. Change the color. Later we will write the name of the session in it. So, we will duplicate it as many sessions we have. We will put 6 sessions. Also, 1 for the break time. Now change the color of each session as you want. It is better to choose light colors to be clear. These are beautiful colors. Adjust the size a little. Now duplicate the shape to have it for 7 days. Now we will add a shape for the days. We will choose this one. Adjust the size and the place. Change the color. Duplicate it to have 7 days. Change the colors. Now we will add the title, Weekly Schedule. So from text, add text box. Change the color. Change the background color. Let's make it lighter. Awesome. Now we will add the session's name. So, click twice in the shape then write. We will fast the video here. Finally, it was the hardest part. Now select all, then make the size larger. Now add the break time with different font and color. Or you can choose a picture from the elements. Now we will add the days. Notice here that the writing is vertical. So, we will add a text box to write in it. But now we are going to choose pictures for the days from the elements. We will choose only free elements. Pick a suitable one. Delete the old text. Adjust it. Now we will add the other days from the same library. We will add a nice sentence in the holiday. Relax and have fun with family. From elements, add a clock. Now add the time above the sessions. Now decorate the schedule with nice pictures. Wow, what an amazing schedule! Last touch. We did a nice job.